In this numerical, a steady current is flowing in a metallic conductor of non-uniform cross section. It means this is the conductor, it is of non-uniform cross section. It means the area varies with length. This means here area A1, here area A2, say here area 4 and so on, but A1 is not equal to A2 is not equal to A3. It is well understood. It means area is not constant. Area is not constant across the length. First let us check up current density. J is equal to I by A. Since area varies, it means this is varying. It means as area is changing, the current density will also vary. It means as J varies with area. That is, areas are different at different lengths, so J varies. J is not constant. First, J current density is not constant. First. Second thing, J is, and what about electric field? That is electric field. We have the relation J is equal to sigma into E. J is equal to sigma E, or E is equal to J by sigma. That is, sigma is conductivity, or this can be written as resistivity into J, because conductivity is equal to 1 by resistivity. Since J is not constant, therefore J varies with the area, and the area varies. J is not constant. This is not constant. It means E is also not constant. Why? Because J varies with respect to the area. It means this is variable. If this is variable, electric field also is variable. Now let us talk about current density. What is current density? J is equal to I by A, where I is equal to NEAVD. J is equal to I is equal to NEAV, where A stands for area. J is equal to I by A is equal to NEAVD divided by area. This and this cancels, and drift velocity. What is drift velocity? Drift velocity is equal to J by NE. J by NE. So where E is the charge of the electron here. So VD is equal to J. What is J? J varies with J is equal to J is equal to I by A. Since J is variable, this is variable. It varies, not constant. So VD is equal to J, that is variable, divided by NE, which is also variable. Why it is variable? Because VD is equal to current density by NE. Since this is variable, as J is not constant, therefore drift velocity is also not constant. Therefore E, electric field, drift velocity, J, they are not constant. It means it is well understood. The left out is only the current only. Let us check up. What is I? I is equal to NEA into VD. I is equal to NEA into VD. What is drift velocity? Drift velocity NEA into drift velocity is equal to J by J by NA. J by NA. So this NA and this NA cancels. A, J is equal to I by A. So I is equal to, and I does not depend on area. Since I is not depending on area, I is not constant, so it means I is equal to, so this much, then it means we can say current, this is, so this is constant, electric field is not constant, drift field is not constant, this is not the answer, drift speed is not constant, this is also not answer, current and drift, this is yes, but this is no, this is also no, but this is correct, current only constant, because therefore only current is constant, for non-uniform cross section of the conductor.